Most individuals are just one missing paycheck removed from going completely broke. It's not concerning because they are dishonest or undisciplined. It's not because they lack ambition or motivation. The reality is, no one demonstrated the intricacies of financial failure for them, especially when everything goes awry. If you happen to be living on a tethered budget right now, don't be disheartened. You do not require a 5-year financial strategic plan. You do not require a motivational discussion. You need a simple 30-day survival guide that can guide you through each day starting right here and now. This is precisely what this text focuses on. We eliminate fluff, theoretical ramblings, and instead provide straight to the point information and actionable steps you need to take from the moment this video concludes. Week 1, days 1-7. Control the bleeding. The first week focuses on finding solutions to keep cash in your account quickly. Make sure to look through your home and inventory your closet, garage, storage spaces, and other hidden areas. Sell or return items you no longer need or even repurpose objects for new purposes. Utilize platforms like Facebook Marketplace to sell off unwanted subscriptions or even services. Create an emergency fund with the remaining surplus money in your account. Week 2, days 8-15. The liquidity hunt. To obtain necessary funds, make a walk through your home to evaluate its storage spaces, closet, garage, etc. Freeze. Donate or sell off assets you no longer need or have an interest in. Utilize your monthly income sources, like food deliveries or overtime shifts to increase your finances. Weeks 3 and 4. Build your financial fortress. Take every single dollar generated from canceled subscriptions or profits earned via other sources, direct it into a high-yield savings account. Avoid spending any extra money on unnecessary subscriptions or services that may have an impact on your financial stability. Focus on developing an emergency fund, which is an essential part of this process. In week 5, actively invest in your financial journey. Begin by setting aside and automating monthly investments, even just $50, in a low-cost index fund, such as VU, HYSA, or any renowned investment strategy. Allow this investment to compound, building upon your existing knowledge and habits. Rebuilding from zero is challenging but possible. By consciously building and maintaining a proper budget, savings plan, and emergency fund,